Guys, this is just like that movie I saw last night on HBO. The one with the witch and the woods, you know, all the kids, they disappeared.
Blair Witch Project.
Oh my god, that's it.
I
You
was
saw
watching
that
that
too?
too.
You see on HBO? I thought.
Oh my god. I saw that.
What was that noise?
Yesterday.
Shit, what was that? Oh my god, stop touching me. What is that? Guys, I think we should move out of the spot.
I'm scared.
It's okay, just stay close.
I know.
Oh, good.
Oh my god.
You go first, I'm not going. I'm gonna fall. Ow! It's freaking me.
Guys, don't leave me here.
What is this place? Where are we? Yo, how did we get here? What do you guys remember doing last?
Well, remember that last year. And I was asking where we were.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Dude, is that the Cosby Show? Ah, my leg, my chair. Oh shit, I hit my leg. Yo, this looks like some. Oh my god, what the shit is that? Oh fuck! My twat! I stubbed my toe. Guys, there's a box. Who wants to go in first? I think it's a secret passageway. It doesn't go anywhere. Stop at the end. Hey guys, if we ever make a mess, we can clean up with this cool vacuum. I don't want to die. Dude, I can't see anything. Guys, what the fuck? Oh. Diane. What is this place? Guys, we never went anywhere. This is our hotel, remember?
I knew that. Oh yeah, wow.
You guys are watching us the whole time and you didn't tell us anything? That chica's sleeping, yo. You're just weird.